Alright guys, so what I present here is a 52-inch brown and brass NuTone Verandah Deluxe from 1981. It uses the bell canopy up there. This is not the original light kit. I added that on myself. It originally had a schoolhouse light. Got stencil blades here. Also not original, from eBay. I got a brand new set from eBay. The blade arms are not original. And this thing needed a new capacitor, as the original one was dead. When I bought this, the seller snapped one of the blade arms and they were all tarnished and whatnot. They were pretty bad, so I just got a new set. This is variable speed control, as you can see. And this is a reversible model. There's a reverse switch. It's not in perfect condition, but it's pretty decent. It was very rough when I got it, but it's doing a lot better now. Let's start off with the light. I have this installed in my testing room or spare room. It's an on and off pull chain. And I adjusted the trim pot on it. So yeah, it is all the way down right now. It might stall, but let's start it on the lowest speed. Hold on. There we go. It might stall, it might not. The bearings are kind of rough on it. Alright, so it's not going to stall. Looks like it's at a pretty steady pace here. Let's bring it up a notch. Going a little bit faster now. Runs decent. Let's bring it up a little bit more. Has slight bearing noise, nothing too much though. The mounting bracket is also not original to the fan, as when I got it, it was missing. So I put one of those Hunter original U-bolts up there to hang it. Let's bring it all the way up on the variable speed. Now let's bring it to high. This is as fast as it goes. Let's turn the light on. I'm not going to show it on reverse. This fan needed quite a bit of work when I got it, but it turned out pretty decent. Let's shut it down. Turn this all the way back down. Pretty quick spin down. Like I mentioned earlier, the bearings are pretty stiff on it. And that's all. There's my 52-inch brown and brass NuTone Verandah Deluxe. Thanks for watching.